Module 1, Lesson 2. This is Part 2. We talked about multiplication of numbers in exponential notation in the last part. Now we're talking about division of numbers in exponential notation. So we'll take a look here and see if we can figure out our rule again. So 3 to the 7th power would be 7 3s, and 3 to the 4th power would be 4 of them. And we know that if we have a 3 over a 3, that reduces to a 1, so we should be able to cancel our pairs out, and that leaves us with 3 3s on the top. So our rule here, what can we do with a 7 and a 4 to get a 3 out here? Well, we subtract them. Just like when we're multiplying, we add the exponents. When we are dividing like bases, we will subtract the exponents. So our rule is we will take the top and we will subtract the bottom here. So our rule, when dividing like bases, we subtract exponents. We have to remember to subtract top minus bottom. All right, so let's try another one. If we have 5 to the 8th times 4 to the 5th on top, and 5 to the 3rd times 4 to the 4th on bottom, I could write this out. I have 5 8s on the top, 8 5s on the top, and 3 5s on the bottom. So I want to take those two numbers and subtract them. 8 minus 3 actually gives us a 5 for the power on the 5. And then 4 to the 5th and 4 to the 4th. So we have 5 minus 4, which gives us 1. And generally when we have a power of 1, we don't write that. 4 is the same as 4 to the 1st, so we would get rid of that 1, and our final answer would be 5 to the 5th times 4. Okay, so let's try couple division.